Do you like it when I wear cologne or perfume? All right, that is really good question. Okay, so basically this question is romantic question. Should supposed to be asked girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. Question is about, do you like if I wear cologne or perfume? First of all, do I like basically I just have to ask this question to myself that do I like wearing perfume or cologne? Uh, Usually, occasionally I wear. Occasionally means like basically is this thing that um, if I'm going to party, I will wear some sort of cologne. Okay. Perfume, yes. But probably is this thing that I don't really have any proper ideas about perfume and cologne. And why is that? I'm not really sure. Means like that. Okay, just give me example. Okay, let's just understand the fact by some sort of example. All right. So like basically if I'm gonna say that this is your room, okay, and you have to paint your room, okay, so which paint do you want to like like a, which paint like a which color of paint that you use to paint the entire room? Okay. uh like basically for me whatever color suits, okay, कोई भी लगा दो, green, yellow, white वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. It's like I don't really have any kind of like a something really that key. Yeah, like everything looks good. Why I'm say something like that? Because I don't really have understanding the potential, or I don't really have understanding the meaning of color. Okay. But the girls has a kind of like a something really understand even better about what color suits at the home, what color suits at this room, that room. Okay. That's why most of the mothers or most of the kind of like a the women has a kind of like a something understanding about that कि कौन सा पर्दा लगेगा, like basically खिड़की पे कौन सा पर्दा लगेगा, ये पर्दा, that design, this color, that color. Okay. Probably in this selection of parda, mostly women are dominating, men's are not, and men's didn't really have any kind of like a interest into that thing as also. Why? Because our biological thing is made up like that. Yani a man is actually meant for doing something really bigger thing. Bigger thing means like that कि like खाना लेके आना, okay, hunting पे जाना from the beginning. Okay. So basically is this thing that as a male has developed some sort of senses inside it, that he has to do kind of like some really manly stuff. Okay, manly stuff means like a पेड़ काटना, फैमिली के लिए खाना लेके आना, हंटिंग पे जाना, ओके, घर बनाना, kind of like do some sort of heavy stuff. Okay. Because of men are doing kind of like a something really doing heavy stuff, so women are kind of like a doing something really creative stuff. Okay, creative stuff का मतलब like जो भी अगर फैमिली में अगर मेल पर्सन इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक ब्रिंगिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फूड, तो उस फूड को खाना बनाना, ओके, या घर को थोड़ा सा सजावट करना, या डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली लुक गुड. तो women develop their senses according to that. Okay. So since the ages of all those humans are traveling through, so this is all the same thing. Okay. That male, yani the purush, didn't really have any kind of like a something sense of color, scent, how it looks. Okay. So that's why most of the people or most of the male, they are not look good. Okay, they look good, yeah, some, like I'm not gonna say that, but trust me, just like 10 out of almost like a 3 people look good, then 7 people are kind of like a something like that कि उनका पेट निकला हुआ है, उनके बाल झड़ गए हैं, उनके like basically is this saying that कि they don't really took their that much kind of like a something to take care of that. Okay, take care of themselves to look good. Okay. But if I'm looking at the women point of perspective, so 10 out of 7 women are kind of like a taking care of her. वो even if they are getting married or even if they have kind of like something old, but still they want it to look good. Okay, and that's why they are wearing some sort of bunch of sarees, bunch of this, bunch of that. They have kind of like a makeup box and this and that. Okay, so that's why most of the women have kind of like a strong sense about which color looks good, which scent are look feel good or smell good, or kind of like a something like, yeah, these are kind of like some like, I know there are so many stuff, but these are things that I know that key women have strong sense of colors and smell. Okay, so probably, okay, if I like wear some sort of cologne or perfume, I didn't really know anything about that. Okay, like which color or which smell is kind of like a look good. Yeah, मुझे like basically, let me tell you one thing. Which smell do I like? I like the smell of rock ale and petrol, especially rock ale. The smell of rock ale was like, भाई orgasm ही आ जाता है. But probably you won't be able to wear cologne of kerosene. No, you won't. All right. So basically, is this thing okay? That ki do I like wear some sort of cologne or perfume? I like, but like basically I won't be able to judge it. Okay, like basically is that ki if my mother or if my sister or if my significant other says me that ki this cologne suits you really good or this cologne should supposed to wear, then I would put that cologne. Okay, yes, it's like I don't really have any kind of like a sense about the cologne, nothing really at all. Okay, और मैं तो कभी कभी ऐसा ऐसा like I just put some sort of cologne and perfume so much that sometimes people get kind of like something really scary about the smell. So um yeah, so that's why I just use cologne very occasionally. Okay, very very occasionally. Okay, so yeah, next question.